Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to install WordPress themes and plugins. So let's move on to our website on dashboard. Now the theme that we are going to be using is called Smart Mark. We're going to buy the theme on Theme Forest. Now this is the WordPress theme we are going to be using, Smart Mark. So you see the theme is about $76.63, but like I promised you guys that I don't want you to spend money to buy anything. I have already gotten this theme. So if you need this theme, what you have to do for me is that you need to like my videos and then subscribe to my channel. Then in the description of this video, I'm going to drop a link to my WhatsApp group. When you join the group, drop a message on that group that you need this theme and I will send it to you free of charge. So let me go ahead and install the theme. So when I drop the theme for you on the WhatsApp group, go ahead and do the same thing. So I'll come over here to Appearance and click on Themes. So you click on Add New. So I'm going to come over here, click on Upload Theme, choose File. Alright, here is the theme. So I'll click on Smart Mark, then click on Open. Then I'm going to install the theme. Alright, I have successfully installed the theme. So I'm going to come over here and activate the theme. Install plugins, click on this guy. Now, these are plugins that are required for you to make use of Smart Mark theme that we just installed. Elementor Page Builder. Now this plugin will help you build the website. Don't worry, when we start you'll get to understand better. So I'm going to tick this guy, tick this guy, tick this guy, then tick this guy, and I'm going to tick all of them. Yeah, you come here to where you have bulk actions. You click on, you select install, then you click on apply. So there are still plugins to install. What I'm going to do is I'm going to over here on plugins, click on install plugins first to check the plugins that we have installed. So now you see that the Elementor we installed is a free version of Elementor. I need the pro version of Elementor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on this guy and then open link in a new tab so we can get the pro version of Elementor. You can see the price of this plugin. Now if you use the free version of Elementor, there are so many features you won't be able to use. So you see, if you want to use it in just one website, you buy this guy, but the one I have, I can use it in like 1,000 websites. I promise you guys that you are not going to buy anything. So I have it already. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to drop it on my WhatsApp group. What you have to do is that you have to like my video, subscribe to my channel. Then in the description of this video, I'm going to drop the link to my WhatsApp group. When you join the group, just tell me I need Elementor Pro. I'm going to drop it for you free of charge. Alright guys, so let's go back. I'm going to click on Add New Plugin. I want to install the Pro version of Elementor. So I'm going to click on Upload Plugin. Alright, this is the plugin Elementor Pro. So I'm going to click on Open. So I'm going to install the plugin. So I'm going to activate the plugin. If you scroll down, you see Elementor Pro plugin has been activated. So now I'm going to add some plugins that I will need. So I'm going to install Classic Widgets. And those are the plugins that we need for now. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can add pages on WordPress websites. See you guys in the next video.